Hello everyone. So at the Reach Free School now, we no longer use planners to record and keep track of homework. We've decided to start doing this through Arbor, which is our online registration system, which you probably know a little bit about if you've been at school for a while. If you don't, Arbor is what teachers use to record registration, but also to keep track of reach points and all of your levels from your assessments as well. You can access Arbor by going to the Reach Free Schools homepage, and right up here in the quick links, which is really useful, is Arbor, and that will take you through to this page here, which is the Arbor login screen. So this is how you can normally log into Arbor. If it's your first time logging in, you should click the first, or if you forget your password, you should click the links down here, and this will give you a chance to put in your email address. So you need to put in your Reach Free email address here. Click reset password, or click set. If you click the bottom first time logging in, it says to reset your password, and that will send you an email to your Reach Free email address, which has your password in it. Once you've got your password, go back to this screen, put in your Reach Free email here, put in the password from that email, and you'll be able to log in to the Arbor screen. And you'll find your Arbor home screen that looks like this. So this is Reece in Year 9, and this is his Arbor home screen. So you can see that you've got your profile. Under My Account, you can change your password, so it's something that you will remember. So I highly recommend you do that. You have your agenda, which is your calendar, which is your daily lessons. So if you're unclear about what lessons you've got, then you can check that here. You can keep track of your attendance, your number of reach points you've got, and your level average. So that shows you what your average level is in all your subjects and how many on track you are. So how many levels, in how many subjects you're on track to make the progress you're supposed to. And slightly underneath here, you've got all the courses that you're enrolled in. So you can see your science class, you can see your Spanish class, all things like that. But the most important part of Arbor is on the left here. We have the schoolwork section, and this links to all of the homework that you've been set. So if you've been set homework in any subject, it will appear here, including the detail of what you need to do and the date by which you have to do it. So if you want to have a look at your schoolwork, what you need to do is click the individual item, and it tells you the class that it's from, it tells you when it's set here, it tells you when the work is due, and it tells you whether it's in progress, and this means you haven't completed the homework yet. You get a very brief overview of what the homework is here in this line, but if you want to find out more, click the More button. This takes you through to the whole homework page. It tells you everything that you need to know. It might have a little bit more detail here, but most importantly on this page you can download any of the attachments. So for this bit of homework for the geography class, there is the attachment which is a Word document, and if you press download, it will download into your browser, and here is the homework sheet that was set. So what you can do then is you can complete the work. If you want to submit it through Arbor, so if you've been asked to submit your work, you can then click here on drag files or click to upload. If you click here, you can upload from your computer, so that's where you can find the file and you could submit it if you need to. Obviously, if you're doing the work in your book, or if it was a research homework, or if it's something where you don't need to actually hand it in or email it to your teacher, you don't need to do this. But if you want to upload it, you can do this. Once you've completed the work, you should click this, mark as submitted, and once you've marked it as submitted, then that's it. The status turns submitted. Your teacher will understand that you've done it. So you should click this once you've done the homework. Even if you haven't had to upload something, if you've completed the work in your book, you can go into your Arbor and say, submitted, I've completed the work, and you can then hand it to your teacher. So if you go back, you can always just click on the logo to go back to your home screen. We see here that it's due on the 11th of September, but if we click back into it, it says marking pending. So because you've submitted it, it's now the teacher that's going to mark this bit of work. Obviously, if it's in your book, they'll mark it in your book. But if it's something that they are marking online, something you submitted, then you will find the mark back here in Arbor. So that's Arbor Student. It's really important that you keep track of this. It's really important that you log in and check the homework that you're meant to have in your registration, probably at the beginning and the end of each day. Also, if you're at home, and obviously you've got your iPads through with you throughout the day, so you're able to get to it. Remember, you can get to the Arbor page from just the Reach Free Schools homepage. If you have any problems in accessing Arbor, speak to your form tutor or come and find Mr. Essery. Thank you very much.